back in 2003, I worked for a behavioral targeting company that did something very similar, but they did it inside the content on a website. So as you interacted with the website more and more, we could target the content on the website based for whatever goal we thought you would be most likely to convert. Um, and in plain English, what that means is, say for example, if you went to book an airline ticket, we could work out, were you likely to want a hotel? Were you likely to want a rental car? Were you traveling with family, or like was it a family trip or was it a business trip? And if it was a business trip, you wanted different things than a family trip. So we'd present different hotels, on the list because we could tell, some was leisure and some was business and those sorts of things. So we could do that within the website. That was 2003.
Oh,
Um,
wow.
and so yeah, it's super interesting, and the way it can do it. The so you use that. Does it dynamically create the ad content then as well?
It does. Using AI, you have two choices. You can either use AI or you can come up with headlines yourself. And on this one, I know your next question is gonna be like, have you tried doing your own headlines? I haven't yet, but I will soon. But it's just like the simplicity and how much it saves time, and it got good great results. And I love that it'll automatically, turn off your worst performing ads and put more ad spend towards the best performing ones. And so you're just always trying to beat the control. And so for our listeners, the control is that one best performing ad that you always have. And so any agency that's worth its salt, its goal is to always beat the control, whichever is your best
Yeah.
performing ad.
Yeah.
Your goal is to always do better than that one. And so that's why it's always good to have an agency in your to help you out with that, so that there's somebody that's always looking out for your best interest, always trying to get you more sales, more leads, whatever you're trying to do for the conversions.